Hello there. You probably heard of word Deepavali. Have you heard of Diwali? Okay. Today program is very special for Deepavali festive season.
Deepavali or Diwali is the festival of lights celebrated to mark the victory of light over darkness, good over evil. People display lights everywhere, buy new clothes, add that festival excitement. Hindu, Jains, Sikhs. This is the name of the festival in southern India and is how the festival is referred to in other Asian countries such as Malaysia and Singapore. In northern India, it is more commonly known as Diwali, but they are essentially the same celebration. As now we consider about the reasons for Deepavali celebration. First of all, there is an intricate tale about Lord Rama returning home with his wife Sita and his brother Lakshmana after defeating King Ravana. To celebrate his return, the villagers lit diyas or lamps along his path. Then there is the return of Pandavas after 12 years of Vanvas. Another main reason for celebrating Diwali is in the name of goddess Lakshmi and other deities. Due to this, it also marks the beginning of India's financial year.
The next aspect of today's program is how Diwali celebrated. Now we will see how they got celebrated and their food, their costumes and their rituals.
The kolam, Rangoli, is a colorful mandala-esque pattern drawn on the floor or doorway of one's home using rice flour colored with powdered dye. Powdered dye in itself is also used to make a kolam. So is rice, powdered chalk and powdered white stone. It is made usually to welcome the goddess Lakshmi on her walks through the earth during Diwali. To celebrate Diwali, women wear beautiful saris, salwars and lehengas. Men wear dhoti kurtas. There are a lot of sweets we can see in this season. Gulab, laddu, jalebi, halwa, kheer, rasgulla, like these things. Now, shall we move to the songs about the Diwali?
தீபாவளி கால கட்டுது கும்மாளந்தா வான முட்டுது தீபாவளி கால கட்டுது கும்மாளந்தா வான முட்டுது ஒன்னாகத்தான் கூடி நாம தீபங்களை ஏற்றி மத்தாப்புந்தா கொளுத்தி
வான்மீது போக்கின்ற வானவில்லை போல் இன்பங்கள் சேர்க்கின்ற நாளும் வந்ததே.
எந்நாளும் மங்காத விண்மீன்கள் போல் இல்லத்தில் சந்தோஷம் மின்னுகின்றதே தீமைக்கு தீட்டு
Have you know about the 5 days of Deepavali? Turning our attention now to the 5 days of Deepavali celebration. Dhanteras. Dhanteras marks the beginning of the 5-day festivities of Diwali. On this day, it is customary for people to clean their houses, so they are ready to welcome in Lakshmi, the goddess of wealth and prosperity, whose puja is performed in the evening. This is an auspicious day and a lucky day for buying expensive goods. Naraka Chaturdashi. According to Hindu tradition, the demon Narakasura was killed by Lord Krishna on the second day, marking the coming end of the year in some regions of India. Customs on this day are about cleaning the slate before the start of a new year and getting rid of anything bad. Diwali, the third day, is celebrated on the new moon in Kartik. In most part of India, this is the most important day of the festival and is the last day of the year in many regions of India. On this day, Lord Rama rescued his wife Sita from the demon Ravana and returned home after a long exile. Candles are lit to celebrate his victory and to light his way home after the battle. In the evening, it may seem like the whole of India is lit by explosions as people set off many fireworks. Badipadyami. The fourth day of Diwali is also the first day of the new year in the Vikram Samvat calendar and may also be known as Patripada, Govardhan Puja or Annaku. Bye Bij. This is the 5th day and last day of the Diwali festival. This day celebrates the relationship between brother and sister.
Okay, let's meet up again with a very special program very soon. Happy Diwali. Goodbye.